Good evening. I am Rajpal Berla. Our topic is importance of English. You know, English is an international language. It's a second language in India, a foreign language. English is spoken all over the world. It has vast literature, a great source of knowledge, and it's language of research and science. It's a language of computer and internet. And it has better job opportunity. Most of the jobs and interviews depend on English because most of the colleges and universities provide their courses only in English. And doctors also prescribe their medicine only in English. So it's a language of medical. It's a language of banking. At schools, railway stations, airports, hospitals, you will find everywhere English. Without English, you cannot go or survive in abroad, in other countries. If you want to become a successful businessman, then you need English. Without English, there is no business become in future a global business. Hindi, our primary language Hindi. Our first language is Hindi. My first language is Hindi. Hindi is our mother tongue and we proud of it. I know Hindi as well. But some people say we should learn Hindi. Yes, Hindi is our mother tongue. We should learn. But I would also like to say that we must learn English. Without English, we can't imagine or go outside of India. As well, South India, you cannot survive without English. It has better job opportunity. So, we must learn English. Thanks.